Good afternoon. Let's take a look at an exercise in which we have to decide whether we expense certain expenditures or certain expenditures are expensed or capitalized. So here we have Delaware Company that incurred the following R&D costs during 2024. What we are required to do in this exercise is calculate the amount of R&D expense that Delaware should report in its 2024 income statement. So my goal over here is to calculate the R&D expense. So let's see what information is presented here to me. First is salaries and wages for lab research. Well, that clearly is going to be an R&D expenditure. Any salaries paid to people working in the labs where their researchers' work is being done, that's expense. Materials used in the projects, that's again a no-brainer. That's going to get expensed. I purchased equipment for $900,000. So this one, let's just put it on hold for some time until we get more information. Fees paid to third parties for R&D projects, that's also going to get expensed. 320,000, that's going to get expensed. Patent filing and legal costs for a developed project. I'm done with the work. I now am filing a patent. This is not R&D anymore. The work has been done. So this is going to be a patent. The 65,000, this is a patent. Salaries, wages, and supplies for R&D work performed for another company under a contract. So this one, depending on how I do the cost accounting, it's going to get billed to the client. So this number again is not R&D because I'm doing work for someone else. This is going to actually get added to inventory and then it gets billed to client. Okay, so once again, it's not R&D. So that one is not to be included. Now let's continue reading over here. The equipment, that says $900,000. The equipment has a 7-year life and will be used for a number of research projects. So it is not just for this project, it's for a number of research projects. So I can capitalize the 900,000. When I have depreciation, and they're telling me the number here, it's 120,000 for the current year. That number is what's going to get expensed. So of the 900,000, only 120 will get expensed because the asset is going to be used for numerous research projects. Only the depreciation expense gets added up to the cost of R&D. So my total R&D cost for the year is 1,040,000. Once again, in this exercise, I was just asked, what's the R&D expense number? And that is $1,040,000. But we just went through the motions to see what the other numbers, where we would debit those other numbers. So with that, we move on to our next exercise.